As you can tell, you see dead bodies floating in the water right now. It's like, nah.
So I guess you gotta wait for the...
This is our flood.
I'm ready to stop, and it'll probably go away.
Monday. Look at our flood. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this flood. Oh my. The hell? Jesus. Past the first step. Past it. This flood is everywhere. Oh my God. You see the cars? Shit. It's flooded up to, I don't know what that street is. You would never think black people would sit here and walk in the water. Look at my dumb behind sister walking in the water. She's not the brightest in the world, but wow, yo. I'm gonna go home right now. I'm cold right now, so, but I can't, I was up till maybe 5 o'clock in the morning, maybe less, but I did not think that it was like this. I watched the rain come, I watched the winds come, but I never thought that this, look at that, see the step, and it's still raining, so it's not done. See the orange thing? Water came to it. See the sign? I don't even know where the sidewalk's at. Somebody tell me where the sidewalk's at? That's what I want to know. Where the heck is my sidewalk? I'm trying to walk. I can't walk anywhere. That slippers on. Can't walk nowhere. Kinda got a problem. So, wow. This is like...
Holy smokes, man!